Hello, thank you for watching my channel. Today it'll be an English video. I found some old footage that I recorded in last winter, I think December it was, and I thought it would be interesting to A, try and see whether I can still speak English somewhat, and B, share with you this exercise. Um, it's a drawing exercise that's, well, borrowing some techniques from the neurographic drawing, but it's in combination with some polyvagal uh, nervous system um, information and how all that works together. So um, I think it's best if we just dive right in. I'll be doing a running commentary of the drawing that I made. So let's see if I can still make sense of it. So I always start with my paper taped, and in this exercise I'm drawing a line, and I take one breath to draw the line, uh, and the line represents how I'm feeling now. Then I'll draw a second line, uh, and that second line will represent my sympathetic energy. The third line, also this will be still on one breath per line, uh, represents my dorsal energy. And last but not least, I'm drawing a line that'll represent my ventral energy. So what we have here is a depiction of, um, well, basically it's a flashcard of my nervous system. And I think, yeah, we'll get to it in a minute. So what we get here, the next part is rounding off every intersection. And you can take your time with that. And this comes from the neurographic uh, drawing. And you're smoothing over hard corners. And while you're working on that, you are obviously also working uh, in the energy fields that they represent. And for me, this is a kind of a introspective exercise, um, basically creating a snapshot of like a big event or a particularly happy or rough day, just to have some sort of, uh, well, recollection of it. And it's funny because I do different types of these sort of drawings, and um, when you have a drawing like this, you can, and you look back at it later, you can instantly remember what and how you felt then, at the time you were drawing. Well, what follows next is obviously coloring. I'm not quite sure that these colored felt tip pens will give you the most beautiful or a really pretty result. Um, Not that I'm going for pretty with these type of drawings, but I know that even when that's not the case, it is quite enjoyable if the outcome of your drawing effort looks somewhat pretty to you anyway. And I remember thinking at the time that I thought that this was a bit too harsh, but that's a taste thing. And I'm following uh, the line for ventral energy first, and I usually uh, let my thoughts or my feelings wander while I'm doing this. Uh, I've done it enough by now, so I trust the process. Once you're done with a drawing like this, you'll know where and how the energy has shifted. It's nice to have a relaxing exercise or activity like this to do. I can really recommend it. Also using aquarel watercolors, and that'll give a really uh, gentle sort of result. And always, last but not least, the peeling of the tape. That's very satisfactory. Well, there you have it. Usually, I'm done by now. I write a date on the back along with my thoughts, and that is really it. Um, Usually, when I do this exercise, uh, it helps me clear my mind, uh, have a different understanding of the way that uh, I shifted between the different energy states, looking at the polyvagal theory. Uh, so I'll have a better, deeper understanding of where I shifted during that particular day or during that particular event. And well, it helps me to to learn more about myself um, every day a little bit. So I think that's good. If you like this, then please feel free to copy the method or do a version of it that you feel uh, suits you. I'd surely appreciate a like on the video or subscribe. I intend to uh, do more videos with art and drawing related to uh, polyvagal theory and also uh, the work of Richard Schwartz. So if you like that kind of stuff, then please consider subscribing. Have a good day.